Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Friday, the 4th of November. And by golly, the sky cleared right on time for a change today. That's bright and sunny this afternoon. Let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. We'll start with the Alpha Skycam in Tuscaloosa. And no, that's not a UFO. That's Bryant-Denny Stadium. But that place will be rocking and rolling tomorrow night. Alabama hosting LSU. Game starts at 7. We'll say about 60 at kickoff, 50 by the fourth quarter. There is no chance of rain. Doesn't get much better. We'll go to the Guin Skycam. That's up in Marion County. Got some fall colors showing up nicely there. Looks like some of the leaves are off the trees already, so things are kind of peaking right now. And there's the view coming from Chehaw State Park, Alabama's highest mountain south of Anniston. All right, the big upper low that brought the rain yesterday is over the border of the Carolinas, well to the east. Subsident sinking air crushing the clouds away this morning, providing a bright sunny afternoon. And boy, what a trough out west. That's a whopper out there. Temperatures this afternoon, upper 50s and low 60s. The cool spot, Haleyville, they're sitting at 52, but most locations around here between 59 and 62. And around the nation, temperatures about where they should be this time of the year. There's a watch warning map that is a winter weather advisory for parts of the western states out in the mountains, including the mountains of Arizona. Flagstaff could pick up 3 to 5 inches of snow tonight. And the rain for the next 5 days. The big numbers are showing up across the heartland, 3.4 inches, the bullseye, on the Missouri-Iowa border. And this is valid through Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. So just beyond this, that will be our next good chance of rain. And we'll take a look at that with modeling here. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. That strong western trough is lifting out. We got ridging here, though, and that's going to set up a beautiful day. But again, notice the potential for some cold air damming, the wedge coming in from the east. Still, we think it will be sunny with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Just perfect. And that lead low is coming out of the Rockies. Sunday, that lead low is way up there in Canada. We're dry. And again, clearly, we've got the impact of that wedge, so we're going to knock highs down into the low and mid 60s. And some scattered clouds are possible. We'll call it partly sunny with the cool easterly breeze, but still a nice day. Monday of next week, the wedge breaks down. We warm up into the low 70s with a good supply of sunshine. Tuesday, strong shortwave coming out of the Plain States, and we wonder if that might bring the first severe weather threat of the fall season to parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. But we stay dry on Tuesday. And this run is slower. Here's Wednesday. That energy is lifting out. Notice another energy chunk there in the base of the trough, vorticity max over Arkansas. And down below that, we've got a good chance of rain and storms, enhanced by that southern vort max. Now, the main surface low is way up north. That will probably mean the helicity values, not all that impressive, but still, with some decent upper support, there could be some strong storms. Not a classic setup. We'll check the European. This is valid Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, same time. Very deep surface low near Milwaukee and Green Bay with a trailing front. So again, it doesn't look like a classic severe weather setup with the surface low so far north, but with decent upper support, there certainly could be some strong storms. And really, it's too early at this point to be specific, but we'll monitor that as it gets closer. And then Thursday of next week, we turn cold. Look at the 540 line coming down into northern Georgia. That would suggest highs only in the 50s, if that's right. And a week from today, pleasant, delightful fall weather. We'll check the end of the forecast on November 20th. Pretty good-looking trough off to the west. Pretty strong southwest flow aloft. That looks kind of wet just north and west of here. And again, we caution everybody, this is the fall severe weather season, so having active weather in November is really the norm from time to time. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the internationally beloved meteorologist, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you live around here, catch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.